Beldar, is that you?
Correct.
Bell. Right. Yeah, buddy, you got a minute?
Of course.
The damn lawnmower won't start. You know, you're so darn good with machinery. Would you mind taking a look?
I do not mind. She's in labor. Shit, she's in labor.
We're sending a squad up.
Negative. You have a reactor leak here. Now give us a few minutes to lock it down.
Vicini, he can fuss.
Fuss. Think you like to scream at us?
Probably he means no harm.
He's very short on charm.
You spend time with your family?
Sure I do.
Good. Because a man who doesn't spend time with his family never be a real man. You look terrible. What's the date? I want you to rest well. In a month from now, this Hollywood big shot's gonna give you what you want.
Too late. They start shooting in a week.
Gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.